Hello Macro Geeks, it's Mike Motes here, and this is my 23rd year in photography, and over those 23 years I guess I would have had probably 15 different photo bags. And just like all of you can relate to this, we've all had lots of different camera bodies over the years, lots of different tripods, and a lot of different photo bags. Well, a couple years ago went mirrorless and wanted to get a smaller, more compact system that would handle what I carry, and Think Tank had just come out with a new photo bag. Right when I was looking at it, I thought this is perfect for what I need size-wise. It is the Mirrorless Mover backpack, and it is an amazing little backpack. It's compact, but it carries a lot of gear, which you'll see. Now let's start off with the back side here, where the carrying side, we've got a nice padded strap system right here. Has a sternum strap that has about 7 inches of adjustment here, you know, because everybody's a little different on their torso and that, so you can adjust it by about 7 inches. It also has a waist strap. If I'm doing a short distance, I don't typically use that, but for a long walk I might use the waist strap here. Also has a nice padded area on this side to you know, pad your back against that backpack. There's a little bit of a raised area down here, so it helps keep it off your back. And then there's a gap here, kind of a low depression here, that allows the heat to escape out. So real nice design, really nice padded. On the sides you have a opening here, a packet that you can slide in your water bottle, other accessories, and also you could put the tripod legs down here, and then you've got a strap system that'll actually hold the top part of the tripod in place so it's not moving around. And if we go to the other side, you'll have another pocket here with another strap system for more gear, maybe even a second tripod, I don't know, maybe you carry 2 tripods. Has a strap on the top here, handle, nice padded strap for carrying it. And now let's look in the inside, all the cool pockets. It has a little flap system here that opens up, all right, and it is held by 2 magnets. We can unzip this front part. Now when I fold this down, there is another zipper here, and that has a pocket in the front here where you can, you know, you can place little small items into that. And then it has, you can see this, it has an opening here which is actually designed for up to a 14-inch laptop you can put in there, maybe a notebook or whatever. I actually use that area to hold my clamp, which is kind of my assistant when I'm out shooting. It holds my diffuser and my backgrounds, and then a stake system that goes along with the clamp. And then there's another pocket up front, and I use that area. You could use it to put your rain jacket or other accessories, some snacks or whatever. I actually use it for my backgrounds. I put my backgrounds up in there. And I use those backgrounds behind my flowers when I'm in cluttered conditions. So that is the front area. Now let's go and look inside the pack. You'd be amazed how much gear I have in here for a little backpack. Alright, now I've got my mirrorless Fuji with my 18-300 Tamron lens. I've got a second lens and a third lens down here. So I might carry another zoom lens, another maybe a macro lens. I have my diffuser. Down below here I've got, this is a rain cover for the backpack in case it's rainy. I have a Hoodman loop in here. I use that to view the back of my LCD on a bright day. Got a little pack with accessories in here, I store in here, and I've got another little camera. All right, this is my little Canon point and shoot camera that I use, and that's a lot of gear for a small backpack. So I've been using this, and I'm really happy with this pack. Again, it's the Mirrorless Mover from Think Tank Photo, and it's just coming out here in June 2024.